goes the pelicans, some of the egrets. Not everybody. Strolling down the lane. Beautiful in flight. And here's some coming right here. Oh, there's a convention going on down here. Oh, not everybody can quite make it out of the water. Look, flying low. Oh, the cormorants really work hard. Oh, they're doing some more. Not quite sure what the convention's about, but here comes the great blue heron. Oh, look at these guys, man, they really work hard. Oh my goodness, you'd think somebody was feeding them. I think everybody from the center lake is now here, and we don't know why. Wow.